Whether you're a weekend warrior, recovering from an injury, or just trying to stay young, strength training is crucial. And what most people forget, but every pro athlete knows, is icing is the secret weapon. Now, cold compression therapy minimizes joint pain and reduces inflammation. Moji has a unique product with a to-go container, and it keeps the cells at the perfect temperature for 5 hours or more. Simply place the cells right into the knee wrap. Now, these products were scientifically designed to not only have the cold cells in the right touch points as you move, but with compression materials that are unique and reduce condensation. They also make a back product, which helps ease back pain, and have many more products on the way. Remember, ice often after your workouts. And GoMoji.com is the place to find those products. Be healthy and be moved.